Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Shop Lista, where I speak with the broken English, but the food tastes delicious, delicious. Today we have a very traditional type of rice called Locrio, and Locrio is rice with any type of protein, and you could mix it up like this one. This one has Dominican sausage, which is called Longaniza, salami, and spam. So it has three varieties of different protein. For veggie, we have fresh corn, and we have carrots and peas. This rice is delicious, delicious. Please don't move away from your seat because we are going to make this recipe step by step so you can also make this recipe for your family. Let's do this. These are the ingredients that we have for our Locrio today. Locrio is a traditional Dominican one-pot rice, and according to history, this type of dish was introduced to the Dominican Republic by the Spaniards. So Spain, thank you for this idea, because today we made Locrio with a variety of protein and it's delicious. Basically, Locrio is any type of protein or meat you want to add and put it together, cook it together with the rice with lots of flavor. So in here we have a half a can of spam, of salami, and Dominican sausage, which is called Longaniza. We have carrots, fresh corn, peas, and we have 3 branches of celery. We have fresh ingredients in here: peppers, onions, cilantro, green onions. We have a spoon of tomato paste for color, oregano, half a chicken cube, paprika, adobo, black pepper. I'm gonna add half a cup of water to kind of let the meat from the sausage to kind of cook a little bit. And as you see, what I did by adding the half a cup of water to the longaniza was to allow the longaniza to kind of cook a little bit first, and also to let go its flavor. At the same time, longaniza is made out of pork, so it has kind of oil. It's kind of oily, so you see, now you see more oil than the olive oil that I added. I said I didn't add too much oil because I knew that this is going to happen. So now what you see in there is just the oil that they let go. And I'm going to proceed now by adding the salami and the sponge. And we're going to let now the salami in this pan kind of fry a little bit before we add the tomato paste. Let's add the tomato paste. And now we're going to add the dry ingredients and the garlic. Now we're going to add the onions, the pepper, and the cilantro. Now we're going to add a cup of water. And now we're going to add the ingredients that we previously mentioned. Now we're going to add another cup of water. You're going to add water according to how much rice you're going to be cooking. And now that our water is boiling, we're going to add the rice. And now that our water already got all dried up, what we are going to do is that we are going to add those last fresh ingredient, which is some sliced olives and some whole olives, fresh chopped cilantro, and some pepper. And now that we added the fresh ingredient, we're gonna pile up our rice. And what we want is to make like a little mountain, right? But we have to let the rice breathe, like my grandmother used to say. So you're gonna go down with a spoon after. And the little pile up is to make sure the oil rice is not on the wall of your pan or your pot, whatever you're using to make it. So then like that, it doesn't turn into concon, which is the hard part at the bottom. And we're going to cover it and wait 20 minutes to eat our rice. And our rice is completely cooked. And now let's serve.